This is a special video on the occasion of Saraswati Puja 2021. I hope you will like it. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make a swan in 5 easy steps with our origami paper. So here I have an origami paper. You can use any type of paper whatever you have. So let's get started. Step 1. Take an origami paper, or if you have a regular paper you can cut it in a square shape and you can use that. So now in step 1 we have to make a fold from diagonally like this. Now you have to unfold it, and with this point as the reference you have to fold this paper till here. Same thing we'll do for this half also, but keep in mind that this point part should be a very pointed one. It should not be a blunt. It must be pointed. So make a fold, press it very nicely such that the folds get created. After folding we get a shape like this. So we get a triangular shape, a scalene triangle shape. So open it, fold, press it very nicely. Now we have two halves, here and here. So with this half you have to make another fold like this. Same thing we'll do for this half also. Press it very nicely. Now open it. Now in the next step you have to fold this part like this and press it very carefully such that no folded parts gets overlapped each other, and make sure that this line and this line gets overlapped each other. Now open it and flip it. Now it's a tricky part. From this part you have to take a point here and you have to flip it, or you have to apply pressure and make a fold from this point like this. So basically you have to make a triangular fold or crease line from here. Now you have to fold it like this, and whatever angle you want you can make here. You can pull it back or you can pull it forward to assure your angle whatever you want to make. Now fold every area such that everything gets tightly packed, and this will look like this. And now in this part the head will be there. So to make the head, this part you have to open and you have to fold it like this and press a little bit here, and our origami swan is ready. You can place it